There are many types of roads. Wouldn't it be perfect with a complete system of edges for all road conditions? There is. The SharqEdge system. With over 250 years experience in making quality products, OLOFSFORS is the past and the future of reliable, high-quality steel. SharqEdge system's unique design is very different than any other greater blade option available on the market, and it is unique for a very good reason. The quality of results, ease of use, and money savings are incomparable. So by doing things differently and changing your mindset, you're evolving with new and improved methods. The SharqEdge system is designed to be flexible and give maximum efficiency. By using a mounting board, the edges can be mounted quickly and efficiently. By attaching the mounting plate on the moldboard, the operator can easily switch blades. The variety of SharqEdges available for the quick mount system, such as the P300, flat, P300 HD, Ram, Viking, carbides, and Stinger boards, can all be changed on the spot from one to another. Only with SharqEdges, you have the option to install the wedge on the front of the blade, behind the moldboard, or even bolt it down. The mounting plate also acts as an extra layer of protection, shielding your moldboard from outer damage. The operating pitch angle is one of the most important factors to correctly run the SharqEdge system. Rolling the moldboard all the way back will give you a 55-degree angle to the road surface. Beginning in this position will generate some wear to the backside of your cutting edge, giving it a bevel to sharpen the edge. We call this the sharpening stage, but you are still cutting throughout the process. When your edge is sharp, you can cut more aggressively by rolling your moldboard forward up to a maximum of 70 degrees. When you feel the need to resharpen your edge, roll the moldboard back to 55 degrees to repeat the sharpening process. It is important to note that operating SharqEdges with down pressure will most likely cause you to cut too deep and stall the grader. With SharqEdges, you won't require the use of much down pressure at all. Just let the cutting angle and thin edge profiles do the work for you. Operators know that time is crucial while working in the field. With Shark P300 and other double punch SharqEdges, it's easy to maintain a straight cutting edge on the moldboard. If you need to change or adjust your edges, you can in a matter of minutes by pulling over to the side of the road using your hammer and the mounting tool to remove the wedges. With a quick stop, you can solve the problem of a contoured edge line. The SharqFlex design makes roadside adjustments quick and easy. You don't have to go back to the workshop, saving you time and fuel. All SharqEdges can easily be exchanged, moved vertically, horizontally, or flipped around to maintain a straight edge. Just make sure to mount the edge with a maximum of 2 inches extending below the mounting plate. The cost of fuel is a big factor in profitability. With Sharq System's thinner and sharper edges, it allows you to use less down pressure, hence less power from the engine. Grading the Sharq way lets you run the grader at higher gears and lower RPM. By grading the Sharq way, you can use your blade much longer and more efficiently. Sharq System's thinner and sharper edges requires less down pressure that results in less wear on all parts of the machine, making it more comfortable for the operator. Less downtime changing blades. Lightweight, easy to handle, install and remove for all roads and all conditions. self-sharpening technique for optimal performance. By choosing Shark, you'll reduce your cost of operation, increase the quality of your service, and improve the environment for the operators that are the very essence in this line of work. So why choose anything else?